What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm partnering with Alikaynaturals to show you guys their Lemongrass Liquid Gold collection. If you want to see more about how I struck gold with the Lemongrass style collection, keep watching. This collection includes a styling gel, a leave-in conditioner, a styling mousse, a oil, an edge gel, and a styling gel. Let's get right into the tutorial. So I'm starting off with their spray leave-in lemongrass conditioner. This is the product that set off the whole line. They base this line around their most popular lemongrass leave-in conditioner. I'm not typically a fan of spray leave-ins. I prefer cream, but this definitely got the job done and left my hair feeling moisturized and ready for the next styling step. The only complaint that I have about spray leave-in conditioners is I feel like it's kind of hard to coat each strand with it, and I'm not sure which sections I've already put the leave-in on or which sections are just damp with water. So that's why I prefer cream leave-in conditioners. But like I said, I did like this one and it smells so good. I would just spray this all over my body if I could. So now I'm picking up the lemongrass styling gel, and this had the weirdest consistency ever, you guys. It felt like, I looked at the ingredients, it does not have petroleum or any type of like hard or thick grease, but it's just a really thick product. It really reminds me of a custard and not a gel. I was kind of scared, to be honest, to put this on my hair when I first felt it because it was so thick and not your normal gel consistency, but it definitely did not disappoint. You'll see in the next few clips that it made my hair super easy to style and detangle with my tangle teaser. It did not prevent the tangle teaser from going through my hair at all. Some benefits of lemongrass and just lemons in general are that they strengthen the hair, they promote healthy hair growth, and they soothe dry, itchy scalps, which really helps me because I've been dealing with a dry scalp this winter, and I really felt like this collection left my hair feeling really moisturized and soft. Definition wise, this gel provided me with so much definition, and it didn't leave my hair super hard or feeling dry. It was very moisturizing as a gel, and that's why I think it has such a thick consistency. So if you do end up getting this gel, don't be off put by the texture. It definitely serves its purpose and still gets your hair super defined and keeps it moisturized at the same time. Y'all, people love this collection so much that they wanted a styler to go with it, and I cannot blame them. This is bomb. So you see in this clip how much definition I'm getting. I've only used the leave-in and the styling gel and a little bit of water. Look at my little baby curl in the front. So now that I'm finished with this side of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So you guys, this is what my hair looks like after letting it air dry overnight. It's so bouncy, fluffy, and it still smells so good from the lemongrass collection. I decided that I wanted to add some gold accessories to my wash and go just to add a little spice to it. So, you know, it looks good like this, but you know, there's nothing wrong with being a little extra. So I'm gonna pin the side of my hair and lay my edges a little bit with the lemongrass styling gel. The edge gel is tacky. It has a really good consistency to it. It had my edges laid all night long. I'm going to be adding gold bobby pins, not a specific amount, but just enough to where if I tilt my head a little bit, somebody can see. I'm definitely a simple girl, so this is perfect when I want to just add a little something more to my basic wash and go. Overall, Alikaynaturals has definitely sold me on this collection. It left my hair shiny, smooth, and moisturized. I can also appreciate that they use all natural ingredients and that this line was created by a black woman, y'all. This is my final look. See, I told you guys it was just gonna add a little bit of flair. I hope you like it, and if you do, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.